In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the format of a book in StoryGraph. First, open the StoryGraph app. On your homepage, you'll see all your books displayed. You can either select a book from this list or use the search bar at the top of your screen to find a specific book. Once you've found the book you want to update, tap on its cover to open the detailed view. In this detailed view, you'll find an option called View Editions. Tap on it. Here, you will first see your currently selected edition, along with its format, for example, paperback or hardcover. Scroll down through the list to view different editions of the same book. As you scroll, you'll notice various formats like audio, paperback, and hardcover. Identify the one you want to switch to. For instance, if you prefer the hardcover version, locate that edition. When you find your preferred format, tap on the three dots located under the book's description. Then select Switch to this edition. Wait a few seconds for the update to complete. Now, if you return to your home page, you'll see that the book has been replaced with the new edition in your desired format. And that's how you can change a book's format in StoryGraph.